Good morning, everybody from Wilderness Lodge. We're actually going to start the day here today. Taylor's family just got in last night, and they are staying here at the resort. They're checking in this morning, and we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom. So it's a beautiful day so far right now. It's going to be very, very hot, and the camera lens is starting to fog up. So let's transport to the Magic Kingdom.
We're gonna take a boat to Magic Kingdom, but the boats don't start running to Magic Kingdom until 30 minutes before the park opens, which I think is crazy. Should be at least an hour. So we're gonna go take a bus so we can get there and get ready to rope drop.
Disney, we're first at Disney because we are about to go to see fireworks tonight and go swimming because we're excited we do. So we're going to see some couple princesses and we're going to get to see Mickey for dinner tonight. So what we do, we're going to look at some stores and we decide what we do. I got my new car and ride some rides like Splash Mountain because we got Splash Mountain.
So Jossie really wanted to talk to the camera for some reason, and basically everything she just said is not what's happening. We're not seeing Mickey for dinner tonight, and we might see fireworks, but we really don't know what else she said. Oh, yeah. She just wanted to be on camera. So we are rope dropping a mine train. This is what we always do. And everybody's a little hot because they're not used to this Florida sun. So let me tell you, it's 85 degrees already this morning. Feels like 97. We were standing there sweating. But now we're trying to get in the queue for a mine train and ride it.
We'll go ride a T-ride.
What?
The T-ride. So we just got a bit dizzy on the teacups. Let's see if we can walk. Oh, she got it. She got it. So this is actually my family's very first time here in the summer months, so they get to feel the heat.
We're going to Thunder Mountain.
So I couldn't get Josh and I fast passes for Thunder Mountain with everybody, but I did get us Splash Mountain fast passes, so I'm gonna hang out in the gift shop. Josh is gonna meet me here. He was live streaming this morning, and all the family's going on Thunder Mountain, and we're gonna do Splash Mountain all together. So I have switched to my iPhone because Josh can't ride Splash Mountain because he doesn't want to get wet. So since we have a fast pass, we are about to get on. I done this since they started the complimentary Ziploc baggies. Here we go! She wants to ride it again! There was one time we got stopped right by that waterfall and it was awful. Like we literally sat there, didn't we? We just sat there. Well, I think that's gonna do it for Magic Kingdom today. We are actually heading over to Grand Floridian for lunch, somewhere we have not done a dining review yet. So we're very excited, but this is a good first day of my family's vacation here in Florida. I don't know if you know, but they're from Pennsylvania and they're here for a whole week. They come every year for vacation and we got to spend some time with them. So there will be more videos coming from their week-long stay here. Josh won't be here every day and I'm not sure what these videos will be like, but we'll find out. But we're leaving. See you later.
Alright guys, so trying something different. The only thing that's really going to change today is the audio might not be as crisp and clear as it normally is or has been, because the rest of the vlog today is going to be shot on this Sony RX100 Mark V. This is kind of like the newer, like little, it's almost like a Canon G7X, I guess would be the best way to describe it. So we're trying it out just to see how it goes, just because sometimes it's a little easier to shoot with than it is with the big camera and everything else. So as you guys can see, I don't have anybody in this car with me. There are people that are getting on. Taylor's actually in the front in the next car over. So we are on our way to Contemporary. We're going to jump off, get a boat, and head over to Wilderness Lodge and go swimming. I stand corrected. We're getting off at Magic Kingdom, and we are going to go take a boat from Magic Kingdom over to Wilderness Lodge. I thought we were going to jump Contemporary Wilderness Lodge. So. This is what kids do. Go ahead, Jossie. I don't really know where we kind of left this at, but it has been quite a bit of time since we saw you guys last.
Yes, we did a few things.
So I think I said that we got off the monorail and headed to, where were we going?
Wilderness Lodge. We took a boat to Wilderness Lodge.
Yeah. So that we could go to the pool and hang out, and we didn't do anything down there. Like, we didn't record or anything down at the pool.
No, we just kind of hung out.
Because we were just kind of hanging out and just having a good time. And after that, we decided that we were going to go get something to eat, and we are back at Animal Kingdom now to ride specifically Dinosaur, right?
Yeah. We were going to ride Cali River Rapids, but my family's all in like dress clothes because they went to Flying Fish for dinner tonight. And so they didn't want to get all wet, so
yeah,
we are riding Dinosaur instead.
So, into Animal Kingdom we go. Well, I had to go to the bathroom, and we're waiting on the bridge back there, and now they're gone. So I'm assuming that they just kept walking without me. And so now I get to play hide and go seek. So I have no idea where they went. I'm assuming, obviously, they're probably going to dinosaur somewhere.
I'm sure this is like kind of dark, but we're about to get on the safari. It really is a walk-on because they actually are sending standby people through the fast pass line to avoid the whole queue. So we're about to do the nighttime safari. Well, that's definitely gonna do it for the night and for the whole day. Josh is really tired. He's ready for bed. I saw him leaning on the pool, closing his eyes on the safari.
There was.
But we saw some animals. We saw the lions and some other things on the nighttime safari. It was really cool. So I think that's gonna do it though. I'm ready for bed.